Hello, my name is swissbianco. This time I would like to show you the latest Swiss Army knife. We did start with the brand new alox rambler Swiss Army knife, and for the first time we put in a small Tritium. The Tritium is a famous Swiss product, Swiss invention by a company located near my hometown village. Tritium is a low radioactive self-powered light. It comes in different colors, from green, which is the most common, over blue, yellow, orange, red, into a whitish color. It's mainly used for gun sights, like on this Beretta. The little tritium tubes are inserted into the sight. They glow in the dark, basically 24/7 they glow for the next 10 years. 10 years is the warranty. So the good thing about it is that you don't need to charge it up with a flashlight. It will glow by itself. Other products with tritium are the watches, like this one, and that is also the small tritium that we did use on the new Swiss Army knife. As you see on the hand, on the second hand is a really tiny tritium. This tritium is the world's smallest. It's made in Switzerland. So far only this Swiss company is able to manufacture it in such a tiny size. The size of it is about 0.5 millimeter in the diameter and about 1.2 millimeters long. It's absolutely tiny. And in front of me I did put one of these tiny tritium self-powered lights on a sticker to show you a bit closer. I put it behind a black background, and there you see it. This is the world's smallest tritium. It's a bit hard to see on the video. It's a really tiny piece, and this one glows green into the dark. So it's basically a really tiny glass tubing that they fill with tritium gas, coat the sides of the tubing, and then cut it with a laser. It's pretty complex. That is just a simple explaining how they do that. And this little tubing, glass tubing, is relatively fragile how it is, like this, so it needs to be secure mounted with a special epoxy that we use. Like here, it is raw. And we drilled a recess in the alox scales, and then we mounted one of those tiny tritium lights in it. So we have the brand new Victorinox alox rambler with a tritium insert. This tritium is made in Switzerland too. It's a famous product. Since the company doesn't sell it directly to the end user, I don't want to name the brand name or the company. So we did two prototypes so far, one in red and one in silver, to test it out. And as we did so, we will make a couple more of those.